Hello, children. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today, we will study the second lesson of Class 3 Literature, that is The Big Race. It was written by Greta Landen. I am going to say the summary of the story. You have to read it carefully for several times. The Big Race story was based on the Butterfly Children. It was the day of big race for the butterfly children. Ozzy was very excited. He had been busy for organizing it for several weeks. But soon, one by one, the competitor dropped out of the race, so that Aussies had to try hard to find somebody who would take part in the race. Just then, Claudette appeared. Claudette pulling Morpho along by the hand. They were going to watch the race. Morpho was very shy and quiet. Ozzy flew over them. The race is cancelled. There is nobody to take part. After that, Claudette said to Ozzy that, "Why don't you race?" Ozzy said, "What a great idea! But who will I race with?" Claudette pushed Morpho forward. "How about him?" Ozzy said, "Morpho, I can't race with him. He is so shy." But then Ozzy thought to himself that against Morpho I'll easily to be the winner. His mind was made up. Ozzy said to Morpho that, "Come on, Morpho, you are in the race." Morpho said, "No, no, I can't do it." Then Ozzy said, "Oh, it's so easy. All you have to do is to fly fast, as fast you can. Do not stop for anything. The one who comes first at the finishing line is the winner." Now the race began. Ozzy shot off at a fantastic speed. Morpho set off slowly after Ozzy. Ozzy said, "Morpho will never catch me. I'll reach the finish line in no time." All of the sudden, twack! He flew straight into the sticky spider's web. No matter how hard Ozzy tried, he could not get free. He dangled there from the spider's web with no one to help. Then he saw Morpho. Ozzy said, "Help, Morpho! Come and free me from this web." Morpho said, "But if I stop to help you, I won't win the race." After that, when Morpho saw how upset Ozzy was, he knew he must stop and help him, even if it meant he would surely lose the race. Soon he set Ozzy free. Then Morpho said to Ozzy that now you can hurry up and win the race. The crowd had waiting excitedly to see the winner of the big race. Soon they saw Ozzy and Morpho fly across the finish line hand in hand. The moral of the story is, you can be more successful by doing things slowly and steadily than by acting quickly and carelessly.